Ninth class mathematics real numbers. Find two rational numbers between 2 and 3 by mean method. Solution: we know that the rational number between two rational numbers a and b is the arithmetic mean of a and b, that is equal to a plus b by 2. The rational number between 2 and 3, 2 plus 3 by 2, that is equal to 5 by 2. This rational number lies between 2 and 3. 2 less than 5 by 2 less than 3. This is the first rational number between 2 and 3. Now find the another rational number between 2 and 5 by 2. That is equal to arithmetic mean of 2 and 5 by 2. The arithmetic mean of 2 and 5 by 2 is equal to 2 plus 5 by 2 by 2. 2 means 2 by 1. Find the LCM of 1 and 2. 1 and 2 is equal to 2 taken in the denominator of the fraction. This 2 numerator is the 2. 2 into this denominator divide with the 2. 2 to the 4. Here numerator is the 5 into this denominator 2 divided with the denominator 2. That is equal to 1. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9 by 2. Here denominator is the 2. 2 means 2 by 1. 2 by 1 it can be taken as the reciprocal of the number. That is equal to 1 by 2. 9 1 is 9, 2 2 is 4. This is the second rational number between 2 and 5 by 2. The two rational numbers between 2 and 3 are 9 by 4 and 5 by 2. We will find the more rational numbers between the 5 by 2 and 3. Again we will find the 9 by 4 in between 9 by 4 and 5 by 2 also. We will get the infinity number of the rational numbers between 2 and 3. Find three rational numbers between 5 and 6. We know that the rational number between a and b is equal to a plus b by 2. The rational number between 5 and 6 is equal to sum of 5 and 6 by 2. 5 plus 6 by 2, that is equal to 11 by 2. This 11 by 2 lies between 5 and 6. Now find the rational number between 5 and 11 by 2. We will find another rational number between 11 by 2 and 6. Now find the rational number between 5 and 11 by 2. That is equal to arithmetic mean of 5 and 11 by 2. 5 plus 11 by 2 by 2. Sum of the observation by the number of observations. 5 plus 11 by 2 by 2. 5 means 5 by 1. Find the LCM of 1 and 2. 1 2 is 2. 5 into 1 divided with 2. That is equal to 2. Plus 11 into 2 divided with the 2. That is equal to 1. 5 2 is 10 plus 11 1 is 11 by 2. Denominator is the again 2. 10 plus 11, 21 by 2 by 2 means 2 by 1. 21 by 2 into 2 by 1 becomes reciprocal of the fraction 1 by 2. 21 into 1 is equal to 21. 2 2 is 4. That is equal to 21 by 4. The rational number, this rational number between the 5 and 11 by 2. We will find another rational number between 11 by 2 and the 6. That is equal to arithmetic mean of 11 by 2 and the 6. That is equal to 11 by 2 plus 6 by 1. 6 means 6 by 1 by 2. We will find the LCM of the 2 and 1 is the 2. 11 into 1 plus 6 into 2. That is equal to 11 1 is 11 plus 6 2 is 12 by 2. Denominator is the 2. 11 plus 12 is equal to 23 by 2 by 2 means 2 by 1. 23 by 2 into, this is the division of the rational numbers. In the fraction becomes so reciprocal of the fraction. 23 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is equal to 23 by 4. Finally, we know that the three rational numbers between 5 and 6 are, first rational number is the 11 by 2, second rational number is the 21 by 4, third rational number is the 23 by 4. Try this. Find three rational numbers between 3 and 4. Find three rational numbers between 4 and 5.